ISO 27001 Annex A 5.27, learning from information security incidents. Okay, in the previous tutorials, we've been looking at incident management. We've done a deep dive, right? We've gone all the way from defining and allocating roles, defining and documenting the process, looking at how we classify events as incidents, how we respond to incidents. And in the last tutorial, actually, I talked about doing a root cause. This is a deeper dive into that, right? Basically, if you have the overall incident management process, it's a mature process and you understand incident management, you're already going to be putting in place learnings. If you're not, then this is a guide to how you can continually improve. ISO 27001 as a standard is based on continual improvement. When things happen, we want to understand why they happen, and ideally we want to stop them from happening again, or understand if and why they may happen in the future so that we can better plan and prepare. So learning from information security incidents, let's talk about what the standard wants, the definition. Knowledge gained from information security incidents should be used to strengthen and improve the information security controls, right? That's the whole process of continual improvement. No matter where you are in your maturity of implementation, be it you're building it and implementing it for the first time, or you've been running it for many years, these information security controls are going to continually adapt, change, and improve. One of the ways that we identify that is through incidents. Incidents happen and therefore we improve that control. So what we're going to do is look at those lessons and we're going to identify what it is that we can do. In terms of the implementation course, you're going to ideally perform a root cause analysis. It's not my place to teach you root cause analysis. There are many guides, blogs, videos, professionals out there that can do that, right? But the basic concept of a root cause analysis is getting to the root. What is the primary reason why this thing happened? And then there are things that we want to do about that. Clearly, what we're going to do about our lessons learned is we're going to document that, we're going to evidence that, then we're going to communicate that so that we learn from that. And now it may be the case that when we've gone through our root cause analysis that something needs to happen. We need to make a change, and that's absolutely fine, right? We're going to use our change management processes, our continual improvement processes. We're going to use our pre-existing processes to manage that change and implement that change to that control. It may well be that we do our root cause analysis and actually there's no further action. And that's fine too, right? Sometimes things just are what they are, right? Acts of a higher deity, they just happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to record what it is that we did so that potentially we can act in the same way or we can improve it in the future, but it doesn't need a fundamental change to a core control. It's just how we would respond in the future that would change. So there's a couple of different ways that once we've done our root cause that would outcome from it, but the key principle here is document that. Do your root cause analysis, document what your root cause analysis was, document the evidences of it, act upon that, be that through making a change or changing how you respond in the future, and then communicate that to other people so that people can learn that lesson. Nice and easy and a nice quick one in terms of this control because we've already covered it. So my name is Stuart Barker. I am the ISO 27001 Ninja. I remain at your disposal as we go through these Annex A controls. I believe that to be the conclusion of the incident management Annex A's, but it may surprise me and we will see. Either way, I will see you on the next tutorial. Peace out.